In this video, I will show you how to transfer pictures and videos from a microSD card to a USB drive while traveling without using a laptop. For this, we will need a phone. In this case, I have an Android Samsung A32 and a USB hub. I bought this Benfei hub from Amazon, and it has support for a microSD card as well as a regular SD card. Once you've got everything connected to the USB hub, it's just a matter of transferring your files using the File Explorer app in the phone. So in this case, I have USB storage, which refers to the USB drive, and I have my USB drive, which refers to the microSD card. I simply go into the microSD card and select the files that I want to transfer. So in this case, I can transfer this file, that file, copy, select the destination folder. I'm going to select USB storage,